I'm at them every year, so I'm going to say every run against Miami.
Second down handoff to Cook, who breaks free. Tremendous speed, cuts it back, and is gone. He's got it again. Breaking tackles again. Dalvin Cook running to the end zone, and Florida State ties it up. From the I formation, it's an option look. Golson, late pitch to Cook, who's got the edge. Dalvin Cook's off and running. Hamstring looks just fine. Touchdown. Throw on second down, flips it short, and there is Cook. Beats the corner. Dancing down the sideline. Makes a cut. Cook scored twice.
You can watch him when he runs right here to the left, right there. They had him tackled. It shows you the toughness and how physical Dalvin Cook can be. But it looked to me that the meat
will take a shot downfield, and Cook is wide open. Dalvin running free. Touchdown. Flag is